the Wi-Fi password?
Oh, it's Hack Me.
Are you serious?
So I gave your birth date for free parking.
That's how I got this robe.
No one really tries to be unsafe.
Mom, what's your 401k number?
But every time you give up info and privacy, you give up a little safety too.
Is it normal to ask for your social when you buy socks?
Norton 360 helps protect your devices and online privacy, all in one. Opt in to cyber safety with Norton 360.
Feel like you're being watched? Hackers can steal what's on your device or see what you send over Wi-Fi. Keep prying eyes out using Norton 360 with a VPN for online privacy and more.
Lately, there's been a lot of talk about the deep dark web. Well, let's dive in. If the internet's like the ocean, the web we know's the surface. The deep web's larger and houses things like password-protected medical data, bank web pages, and company intranets. And way down here's the dark web. Originally for dissidents and activists, the dark web also attracts cyber criminals and drug dealers. Hard to get to, but easy to hide in. The dark web's a pretty dark place. Find out more, because evolving threats demand evolving protection.